So hello guys, right here in front of me we have my 1970 Mach 1. I bought this car a while back with the Fox body, so yeah, you could do some calculations on the video of the Fox body, the gray one. That's more or less when I got it, but we got the engine for the Fox body right away, and this one we kind of put it in the back burner, and we had some other projects that we went to do, but now we got most of the parts that we need for it to run, and we're gonna start working on it now. There's three major projects that we're working on this year, which is this one, the Mach 1. I already have some videos, and I continue working on my Grabber Blue, and we have the Cobra, which I have some videos that again we're picking up where we left off, because I'm not working on people's cars. I'm focusing on these projects now, and hopefully I have more time. So yeah, so right here we already got this from the valley. We got this fender and these two headlight assembly buckets, or how you call it. This one came with a car. We're just gonna try to throw it in there. This is from a New Edge that I got. That was like 200 bucks, and I basically got all the wheels for it. And we got this engine off my dad's Bunos that he bought a parts Bunos, and he told me that he wanted to part it all out, and I basically told him, what are you gonna do with the engine or transmission? And he basically paid me all that service with the engine and transmission. It was working perfectly fine. It was super smooth. The only bad thing is that it's a 351 modified, and it's a 2-barrel, and it has that intake. It had the intake that weighs like 80 pounds. For now, I'm keeping everything like that. I might get some headers later on and an intake manifold. I would love to get the Cleveland heads, because from factory this car came with a 351 Cleveland. I believe the 4-barrel that we did the VIN, we checked the VINs and everything, so that's what it came with. But yeah, this is what we got. It's free. Basically, we got this one free because the car that we got, we sold engine, transmission, and everything. We made our money back there. I'm trying to keep this car as budget as I can, as like I do with other cars, because literally I have a lot of other projects that I need to work on. But I want to start off with painting the engine bay, working on fixing a lot of like metal work. Like here, there's a hole in the battery tray, and James found this other hole down there. Someone like chiseled through here like that. I don't know why, but yeah, we're gonna do suspension, steering, obviously engine work, a little bit of restoration, a little bit of everything on it. Yeah, we have a lot of parts, so I decided to start throwing all the parts at it. It'll help the shop be clean by putting everything on it, not just have parts everywhere scattered. But yeah, it's basically I'm gonna have it all patina. Everything that's gonna look nice. I want the engine to look nice. Paint the engine and everything, throw it in there, make it work, and later I'll start touching on the body and all that stuff. As it is, I have a lot of parts here that we've gotten for it. Yeah, like we hit a jackpot. One of my dad's friends was selling a lot of parts, tools, project cars for a really good price, and we got a jackpot. We got a lot of parts for this one. As it is, we have these other seats from S197 that Mr. Danny donated. Their seats, the other ones right there. So yeah, this is gonna be the start. I guess we're gonna start off by putting on the wheels. So yeah, right now we have a lot of work with the Grabber Blue that we've done. We're basically almost finished, so we're gonna start working on this one. We already got the guys to basically clean the engine for me. You can tell where it says like Mach 1, where it had the little hose for the spoiler right here, and had the little hose for the little loafers or whatever, the louvers. It has the trim that goes here on the side. This is Mach 1 with lines. I have it there on the side. I don't know if you can see it. Right now it has this my sister's S197's seat on it, just so it doesn't take space, but I'm gonna have to take it off so I can put the other leather seats. So yeah, we have a lot of work for this Mach 1. Yeah, hopefully you can follow along to see how we fix it up. And we're also gonna pick up on this one. Yeah, and I have all those other videos for the wing star swap on the Grabber Blue that I need to upload. So yeah, I hope you like the video, like and subscribe.